What's good, YouTube? Your boy Bossco back again with another video. Hopefully you're having a great day wherever you are in the universe. As you can see by the title and the thumbnail, we talking about some fire Jordan 1 mids. Let me know your thoughts, of course, in the comment section below. Smash the like button, leave some comments, and without further ado, let's get into these shoes, you dig? So I stopped by one of the JD Sports recently, and they happen to have these in stock, which was pretty dope. A lot of people did like these, the Jordan 1 mid. 554-724-096. This right here is a size 8. These retail for a little different. I believe it was 120 retail. These Jordan 1 mids box, you know, are pretty much the same. Once you've seen one, you've seen them all. Let's go ahead and get into the box and get the shoe out. Now that we have these out, first of all, let me know if you guys are paying attention and watching the video. We're going to hashtag MJ Mondays in the comment section below. Hashtag MJ Mondays in the comment section below. These Jordan 1 mids are pretty dope. I like the color combination. 1 to 10 scale, I give these guys a solid 8.5. Maybe some lace swapping might make the shoe even that much better. But of course, you guys can give me that feedback down below in the comment section. Now that we got some of that zoom, man, the quality that they gave us on this Jordan 1 mid is definitely good. They have been stepping it up with the quality that they have been putting on the Jordan 1 mids. That's what's been making these appealing a little bit more. And they snuck the price up a little bit. These retail for $120, which I was kind of surprised to see, but they've definitely went from the 110s to the 115s, now to the 120s and 130s, you know what I mean? Let me know what you guys think about that. I mean, they might even have one that's 140 if I'm not mistaken. 1 to 10 scale, what do you guys think about this shoe and this colorway? Like I said, I give it about an 8.5, 9. You got the gym red Nike Air Jordan logo, I should say, on the side of the shoe. And you have the Jordan logo with the red on the tongue. So I think, obviously, if you put some gym red laces, that would look pretty fire in this shoe. Some white laces would really offset these, man. If these were my shoes, I probably would go with some reds to see what they look like, or maybe even try that white. I think that white would definitely make these shoes pop and stand out even more that they are a mid. But mids are here to stay. A lot of people are liking these, and of course, that's why I want to know your feedback in the comment section below. Did you guys even make an attempt to go after these? Did you know that they were available? You know, mids have release dates sometimes. Most of the times they don't. They just pop up in the stores or online. You just gotta check Nike.com and, you know, see if anybody around your area is getting them. These just happened to pop up at the store when I went there, and they let me know that they had them in stock. I hit my squad up, my members, and one of them scooped these up. So we will be shipping these out ASAP. But I definitely want to talk about these Jordan 1 mids. They're called like the smoke gray with the gym red. Smoke gray mids, gym red or something like that. I checked them out on StockX. I was kind of smoke gray mid. It was like a smoke gray red mid or something like that. There's no official colorway, but that is the colors on it, the gray, the black, and you have that gym red, which is dope. I wish this gym red was on this shoe. It's so weird that they would put the gym red, the proper red, on a Jordan mid, but a shoe that comes out right around it, man, they don't give us the gym red. I mean, in my personal opinion, this shoe is still dope. However, if this was gym red as opposed to the red that they went with, it would make this shoe 10 times better. But this video is not about this shoe. But give me feedback on the Jordan 4 Red Thunder. Did you guys pick those up? Was that a hard cop for you? Or was it an easy pass? Let me know and give me feedback on these Jordan 1 mids also. It's your boy Bossco. I appreciate you guys with this short video. Hopefully you guys did enjoy. Of course, you guys can show me that by hitting the like button or leaving some comments, giving me feedback on the video. It definitely helps out a lot with this YouTube algorithm, excuse me. But without further ado, man, I'm about to get out of here. Let me know your thoughts and opinions on these. Copper pass, fire or trash? 1 to 10 scale, what do you guys rate these? I'm out of here. Peace.